Hi, welcome to our channel Siri Max class. Today in this number system chapter, I will explain some of the divisors of a given natural number. Okay. Okay. Sum of divisors of a given natural number. If n equal to, what is the condition? P1 to the power of n1 into P to the power of n2 into P3 to the power of n3 into and so on into Pk to the power of nk. This is the standard form of n. What is n equal to P1 to the power of n1 into P to the power of n2 into P3 to the power of n3 into and so on Pk to the power of nk. Okay, this is the standard form of a given natural number. Okay, now we can find out the sum of the divisors. What is the condition? Sigma of n equal to P1 to the power of n1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 and into P to the power of n2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1 and so on into Pk to the power of nk plus 1 minus 1 by Pk minus 1. Okay, see here. Sum of divisors of a given natural number sigma n equal to P1 to the power of n1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 into P to the power of n2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1 into and so on into Pk to the power of nk plus 1 minus 1 by Pk minus 1. Okay, first we can take one example. Okay, 18 we can write into 2 into 9. 2 is prime number, 9 is composite number. So again 9 we can convert into prime factor. Okay. 2 into 9 we can write 3 into 3. Yes. Okay, see here 2, 3. These are prime numbers. Yes. So here how many are there? Only 1 2 is there. So 2 power 1 into how many 3's are there? 2 3's are there. So here we can write 3 power 2, simply we can call 3 square. Okay, what is the standard form of 18? 2 power 1 into 3 square. Okay, this is in the form of P1 to the power of n1 into P to the power of n2. See here bases are P1 P2 are there na? These are different prime numbers and n1 and n2 are natural numbers. See here bases are 2 3 is there. See, observe here 2 3, these two are prime numbers. Yes, and n1 n2 values are 1 and 2. Okay, here now we can find out the sum of the divisors of a given natural number. Okay, what are the P1, P2 values? P1 value is 2 and P3 value is 3 and N1 value is 1 and N2 value is 2. Okay, what is the sum of divisors condition? Sigma n is equal to P1 to the power of n1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 into P2 to the power of n2 plus 1 minus 1 by p2 minus 1. Okay, see here p1 value is 2. So here p1, p2 places we can substitute these values. Okay, now see here p1 value is 2. 2 power n1 value is 1. What is the condition? n1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 by, what is the p1 value here? 2. So 2 minus 1 into, what is the p2 value here? p2 value is 3 and n2 value is 2. So now here we can substitute. p2 value is 3 and n2 value is 2. 2 plus 1 minus 1 by, what is the p2 value? p2 value is 3. So 3 minus 1. Okay, now here we can simplify. Okay, see here 2 power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 value how much? 2 na? So 2 square minus 1 by, 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 into, and here also 3 power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 cube minus 1 by, 3 minus 1 how much value? 2. Okay, see here 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2 na, 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 1 by 1 into, here see here 3 cube. 3 cube value is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. minus 1 by 2. Okay, now here we can simplify. 4 minus 1 value is 3 into 27 minus 1. 27 minus 1 value is 26. 26 by 2. Okay, see here 26 is even number, so second table will be cancelled, it is divisible. Okay, how many times? 2 1s are and 2 3s are. Okay, 3 into 13. 3 13s are, the value is 39. Okay, here sum of divisors are total 39. Okay, see here what we can say. First of all we can take the example 18 and first of all we can find out the standard form. Again in this standard form what we got? We got the values p1 value, p2 value, n1 value and n2 value. Okay, sum of divisors formula sigma n equal to p1 to the power of n1 plus 1 minus 1 by p1 minus 1 into p to the power of n2 plus 1 minus 1 by p2 minus 1. Okay, see here p1 value is 2. So 2 power n1 value is 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1 by p1 value is 2. So 2 minus 1 into p2 value is 3. So here we can substitute 3. 3 power n2 value is 2. So 2 plus 1 minus 1 by p2 value is 3. So 3 minus 1. Okay, here we can simplify. What we get the answer? 39. Okay, sum of divisors by using formula we get the answer 39. Okay, first now we can find out all the factors and now adding. Okay, first of all we can write all the factors of 18. What are the factors? 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. See here 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. These all are the factors of the given number 18. What is our condition? Sum of the divisors. Sum means adding. Yes, here we can add all the factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 18. Okay, now here we are adding 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 18. How much value? 39. Okay, by using formula we get the answer 39, and we can find out the factors, and adding all the factors we get the answer also 39. Okay, in this to what we observe here, by using formula we get the answer and we can find out the factors, and adding factors we get the answer, both are same. But 18 is a small number, only 2-digit number, that's why we can find out the factors very easily, and adding is very easy. But we can take 4-digit or 5-digit numbers. By using formula we get the answer very easily. Okay, that's why we are using the formula. Okay, thank you so much.